Everyone keeps asking us this question. Is there a healthy alternative to traditional bread? We hear you. Bread has been a staple in our diets for centuries, but we are becoming more aware of the concerns around its consumption. Let's unpack this. Traditional bread, while comforting and delicious, can have some sneaky side effects. It can be addictive thanks to compounds like gluteomorphins and casomorphins. It can spike your blood sugar levels, lead to inflammation, and even mess with your gut health. And let's not forget about weight gain. Then there are these compounds, amylopectin A and lectins, found in wheat. They've been linked to chronic inflammation and toxicity. And here's a popular myth. If you can eat bread without running to the restroom, it must be fine, right? Wrong. Just because you don't have immediate digestive issues doesn't mean it's not harmful. Now, what if we told you there's a solution to all this? A bread that is not just healthy but also delicious? Welcome to the world of keto breads. Let's dive into the delicious and healthful world of this revolutionary product. Imagine a bread that doesn't spike your blood sugar levels, cause inflammation, or damage your gut health. Yes, you heard that right. Keto breads is the game changer that health enthusiasts have been waiting for. This isn't just bread, it's a healthier lifestyle choice. Every loaf is a testament to the perfect blend of taste and nutrition. It's devoid of harmful compounds like gluteomorphins, casomorphins, amylopectin A, and lectins. It's a bread that speaks volumes about your commitment to health without compromising on the joys of biting into a warm, fluffy slice. What's more, it's a value for money. Think about it. You're not just buying bread, you're investing in your health, in a future free from the adverse effects of traditional bread. And all this without sacrificing the taste and texture you've grown to love. So you have a bread that's good for you, that tastes great, and that's worth every penny. It's a triple win. But you might wonder, do people actually enjoy this bread? Well, guess what? They absolutely love it. The rave reviews are pouring in from all corners of the globe. People are discovering the joy of biting into a warm, fluffy piece of bread without the usual guilt or negative health effects. A certain customer raved about how keto breads has revolutionized her weight loss journey, allowing her to enjoy her favorite sandwiches without compromising her diet. Another ecstatic individual shared how the breads have been instrumental in maintaining steady blood sugar levels, providing a sigh of relief for those who are diabetic or pre-diabetic. And let's not forget about the folks who have long suffered from digestive issues. They are thrilled to find a bread that doesn't wage war on their gut. The stories of improved health and well-being are countless, and they all point to one thing. Keto breads is truly a revolution in the world of healthy eating. These are real people with real stories experiencing real results. And the best part? They haven't had to give up their love for bread. Now you're probably thinking this sounds too good to be true, but it's not a fairy tale. It's a delicious reality. Keto breads is the game changer you've been waiting for. With each bite, you're saying goodbye to harmful compounds like gluteomorphins, casomorphins, amylopectin A, and lectins. You're waving off chronic inflammation, toxicity, and those pesky spikes in blood sugar levels. All of this while still indulging in the comforting, familiar taste of bread. Keto breads is more than just an alternative. It's a lifestyle choice that places your health at the forefront without compromising on flavor. It's a testament to the fact that good health and good taste can indeed coexist. You may think, is it really possible? Can bread be more than just a guilty pleasure? The answer is a resounding yes. With keto breads, you're not just eating better, you're living better. So we invite you to try it out for yourself. Experience the change and see the difference. Because when it comes to your health, choosing keto breads is choosing a life free from compromise. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our links in the description. Remember, healthy can be tasty too.